The new MetraSCAN-R Black, the third generation of MetraSCAN-R. It's a significant improvement in terms of speed, accuracy, resolution, and the market leader to measure part without surface preparation. In terms of speed, it means 1.8 million measurements per second and 45 blue laser lines spread over 3 different orientations. For accuracy and resolution, we're talking about 25 micron ISO certified accuracy with 4 times more triangle over the same area than the previous generation. Now coming back to the CMM productivity issues. So far we have discussed the speed and complexity, but how to solve labor issue? The answer is simple. VxScan-R, Creiform simulation and scanning module for automated quality control. It's a software designed to make automated quality control accessible to non-experts in robotic, 3D scanning, or with Creiform technologies. VxScan-R solves your labor issues. Let me show you how, together, our new scanner and software can solve all productivity issues. Today's demonstration will be done on the part right behind me. It's a huge part with 3D geometry and a highly reflective surface. It's the perfect part to show how manufacturing companies can solve complexity and speed issue thanks to the brand new MetraSCAN-R. We will also see how the ease of use and intelligence of VxScan-R digital twin environment software can provide access to automated quality control for all non-experts, solving the labor issue. Let me show you how it works. There are 4 different methods to create a path in VxScan-R. User can pick edges, they can pick surfaces, they can draw a manual path similar to doing a polyline, or they can jog the robot. Our approach is very simple. You tell us what you want to scan. That's it. Let me show you an example. I'll pick some surface here and here. By clicking OK, a new path is added to the timeline. Now this path is not optimal yet. Collisions are not managed and the line of sight may not be as good as it can be. So what users should do is click on Finalize and Reorder. And this is really when the magic starts happening. During that calculation time, the software will optimize the path for Creiform technology, solving the robotic problems such as collisions and singularity, and reducing the cycle time. Once this step is done, we can launch the scanning simulation. And there you go. Now let's program the rest of the part. First, I'll add some edges at the back. Think about as if I had some trim points to measure on those surfaces. That's it. And then we'll add some other surfaces to cover pretty much the entire cab. Let's pick here, here, top portion, like that. We'll go on the other side. And that should cover pretty much all the surfaces that we need to capture. Finally, we'll measure through a manual path the shiny part of that part. And there you go. Now, the only thing we have to do left is to hit Finalize and Reorder and launch the scan for real. Okay, so calculation time is over. We're looking at a 2 minutes, 54 seconds cycle time. So let's connect to the robot and start scanning for real. Look at the shininess of that area. Being able to scan this type of surface without powder is quite impressive. One important thing to notice is that the part can move during the acquisition. It's possible thanks to the dynamic referencing capability of the C-Track. Keep in mind that this unique feature means true shop floor accuracy of 25 micron. Its rigorous acceptance test performed in an ISO certified laboratory is the undeniable proof that the system will deliver the performances in real life. With 45 laser lines and 1.8 million measurements per second, the MetraSCAN-R Black can scan the part in less than 3 minutes. Today we've been through the entire process from start to finish. We've picked up all the surfaces we needed for inspection. We easily got a safe robot path optimized for speed and line of sight, and we got a scan ready for inspection without any surface preparation. That is how Creaform new automated quality control solution will solve your productivity issues. Let's take a look at MetraSCAN-R targeted applications. First, sheet metal. The total cycle time for this part is 7 minutes 23 seconds, which is way faster than conventional CMMs. The result you are seeing comes from a black, shiny part that was scanned without powder. Check out the actual part. Here's a closer look where you can truly get a good feeling of the shininess of the part. Next up, composites. This example demonstrates clearly that the MetraSCAN-R is a great tool to scan composite material as well as shiny chrome part. Welded structural parts are another area where the MetraSCAN-R is a good fit. Once again, this is a black part with a little bit of shiny, but it made no difference for the scanner. Here's the real part. The MetraSCAN-R Black is also a great tool to measure casting parts. And its new level of resolution helps to grab all tiny details, as you can see here. Now that you know what the scanner can do, let's take a few minutes to review the accuracy and repeatability. The accuracy specification on a sphere diameter is 25 microns. The volumetric accuracy of the system is 78 microns. It's the maximum permissive error on a set of 7 artifacts measured in different orientations. The artifact's length varies between 900 millimeters and 1500 millimeters. However, most of the other automated quality control systems on the market use smaller artifacts, some even as short as 200 millimeters long, which do not validate the volumetric accuracy of a system at all. So we've decided to show you the performances on a 500 millimeter ball bar scanned 25 times. Look at the accuracy and repeatability for that test. It's impressive, but not at all surprising. See, this is what happens when you use a rigorous acceptance test performed in a ISO certified laboratory. In fact, combining these two factors is the undeniable proof that the system will deliver performance in real life circumstances. Okay, let's summarize a bit. So far, we have seen how the new MetraSCAN-R Black and VxScan-R can tackle all 3 major sources that negatively impact your productivity. And they can do that thanks to the new MetraSCAN-R certified accuracy, its resolution, its versatility, its repeatability, and the simplicity of VxScan-R. However, this is not the end of the presentation. There's more. You might wonder, how can you deploy Creaform's automated quality control solution? Well, you have 2 options. You can integrate with Creaform as a true partner the MetraSCAN-R Black into a custom solutions, or you can pick a solution from our portfolio of complete turnkey product, the new Q-Bar family. Let's take a few minutes to discuss the Q-Bar. Prior to this launch, we used to have one Q-Bar, but every customer is different, so we've decided to add another one. It's pretty much the same Q-Bar, but with a light curtain. But why stop there? We have a third option, a Q-Bar with wire mesh and light curtain. And again, why stop there? If you have experience in robotic but not in metrology, we can bridge the gap by offering you our brand new Q-Bar module. These 4 models form our new Q-Bar family and complement the new Creaform automated quality control solutions. In conclusion, CMMs exist today because in some situations we need the level of accuracy that they can provide. However, if you need to increase your productivity and make better and faster decisions, if you are limited right now because of a complexity, speed, or labor problem, we have a solution for you. Creaform is way more than just its product and integrated solutions. Creaform is a great partner for solving manufacturing challenges with 3D measurement technologies.